Namaste children. Now we are doing unit 2 addition. In that already we started our worksheet 2. In first bit we have questions like this. Already they have arranged in columns. Now the second bit is arrange in columns and add the following. See here children, the numbers are like this. First what we have to do, we have to write the place values on top of the number. Here take first digit, first number. 5 will be in ones place, 7 will be in tens place, 8 will be in hundreds place, 3 will be in thousands place. Yes, same like this. This number also you have to do like that. 4 will be in ones place, 2 will be in tens place, 8 will be in hundreds place, and 4 will be in thousands place. Now the rest of thing how we did in first bit, like the same way. Again this row, first you have to draw a table, and after that in this row you have to write the place values. First column is ones place, then tens place, then hundreds, then thousands. These place values you have to mention with the red pencil. And this row, for what purpose we are using? Whenever any carry we are forwarding, for that we are using this row. Now place the numbers according to the place values. Now the first number is 5 in ones place, then 7 in tens place, then 8 in hundreds place, and 3 in thousands place. Now next second number is 4 will be in ones place, 2 will be in tens place, 8 will be in hundreds place, and 4 will be in thousands place. We have to do the addition. That means plus sign will come here next to the table. Children, remember, not in the margin. That plus sign should come next to the table. Now start adding from ones place. Here 5 plus 4, that is 9. Now next in tens column, 7 plus 2 is also 9. Now in hundreds column, 8 plus 8, you will get 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. Here you get 2 digits. So the first digit will be in hundreds place, and the next digit will carry forward it to thousands digit. Now write 6 in hundreds place and 1 in thousands. How will you write? Whenever you are writing carry forward, that you have to mention like plus 1 with red pencil. Then add. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Finally, you have to write answer is equal to 8699, and you have to make a cloud for this answer. What we did here children, first whatever the numbers we are getting, that you have to arrange in columns, then you can add. First you have to write the place values for the numbers. According to the place values, you have to place the numbers in your tabular column. Then children, now second bit, B bit. First number is 7655 and the second number is 1155. So first we will write the place values on top of this number. 5 will be in ones place, 5 will be in tens place, 6 will be in hundreds place, and 7 will be in thousands place. Here also for the second number also 5 is in ones place, another 5 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, and the another one is in thousands place. Now after drawing this tabular column, first we'll place the place values in first row with red pencil. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column, and thousands column. Now we'll place the numbers according to the place values. Now first number 7655. 5 is in ones place, another 5 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, and 7 is in thousands place. Now the second number 1155. In this 5 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, and another one is in thousands place. Now which sign will come, children? Plus. Now we'll start adding from the ones column. After adding 5 plus 5, how much we are getting? 10. That means how many digits here? 2 digits. The first digit will go to the ones place, and the second digit, that is left side digit, will go to the carry forward, that is to tens column. So now we'll first write the 0 in ones place, and this carry forward will go to the tens place, and you will write as plus 1. That means you are adding this 1 to these 2 digits. Now add 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Now again 2 digits are coming, 11. So the first digit will go to the tens place, and this will be like carry forward, and it will go to the hundreds column. Now first write this 1 in tens place. Now this carry forward, yes, with red pencil as plus 1 in hundreds column. Now add these digits together, children. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now in thousands column, add 7 plus 1 is 8. Now answer is equal to 8810. That you will make as a cloud with red pencil. Children, don't forget to make a cloud. Now just we'll revise what we did here. Here we are having 2 numbers. First we'll write the place values for those numbers. Then we'll place the numbers according to the place values. And after adding these 2 numbers, what is your sum? 8810. Children, now the C bit is 5557, and the second number is 2565. Now say along with me. 7 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, another 5 is in hundreds place, one more 5 is in thousands place. Correct. Now the second number 2565. In this 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousands place. Now what we will do here, in this tabular column we have to write the place values. This is ones column, this is tens column, this is hundreds column, and this is thousands column. Now we'll write the numbers according to the place values. Children, now tell. 7 is in ones place. 5 is in tens place. Another 5 is in hundreds place. Another 5 is in thousands place. And from this number, 5 is in ones place. 6 is in tens place. 5 is in hundreds place. And 2 is in thousands place. Now plus sign. Now we'll start adding from ones place. 7 plus 5 is 12. So here how many digits are coming? 2 digits are coming. So first digit will be in which place, children? Ones place. So this 2 will come here. And this another digit 1, where it will go? And this is carry forward. And it will go to the tens place as plus 1 with red pencil. Now add these 3 digits. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Again, how many digits? 2 digits. Now again 2 is in which place? Tens place. And 1 is a carry forward and it will go to the hundreds place. First we will write this digit. 2 is in tens place. And this 1 will go to hundreds place. Now add, children. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So again you got 2 digits. Now this 1 will be in hundreds place. And this 1 will go to the next place, that is thousands place, as a carry forward. First we will write this digit in hundreds place. And this 1 will go to thousands place. Now add 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So here how many you got? 3 carry forward, no? And you have to remember, if it is a single digit, as it is we will write. If after adding 2 numbers, if you get 2 digits, then the first digit will be in that column and the next digit will go to the next column as a carry forward. Now after adding these 2 numbers, 5557 and 2565, what is your total? 8122. Here we will write answer is equal to 8122 and make a cloud. Children, now we are doing the F bit. Here the 2 numbers are 6769 and the another number is 3211. Here say along with me now. 9 is in which place? Ones place. 6 is in tens place. 7 is in hundreds place. And 6 is in thousands place. Now for this number also we will write the place values. 1 is in ones place. 1 is in tens place. And this 2 is in hundreds place. And 3 is in thousands place. Now children, what is the next step now? We will write the place values in this tabular column. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now according to the place values, we will place these numbers in this tabular column. Take the first number now, 6769. In this, 9 in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place. From this number 3211, 1 is in ones place, again 1 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 3 is in thousands place. Now plus sign. Now we will start adding from ones place. 9 plus 1 is 10. That means how many digits, children? 2 digits. So which digit will comes to ones place? The first digit will come to ones place, and this will go to next column, that is tens column, as a carry forward. First we will write this digit in ones place, and this how we will write? Plus 1. Now add these digits, children. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And here in hundreds column, here we got only one digit. So directly as it is we can write here. Now in hundreds column, we will add 7 plus 2, that is 9. And in thousands column, 6 plus 3 is 9. So here after adding these two numbers, 6769 and 3211, and what is your sum? 9980. So finally we will write here, the answer is equal to 9980, and you should make a cloud with your red pencil. Thank you.